guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zsuzsanna, and this video is going to be a pack with me. I'll be going to Mexico, kind of like a backpacking trip, and then I'll be going to the US to look at a few colleges I got accepted to so I can pick one. So that's what's gonna happen in September. Anyway, let's get started with my low and zero waste essentials, like the things I will be taking to the backpacking trip, and I will show you guys my clothes and kind of like the vlog part of it. Alright, so these are the clothes I will be taking. Since I haven't been in Mexico yet, I have no idea what to really take. I know it's gonna be raining, it's gonna be humid, and it's gonna be between like 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, so it's not gonna be really cold or really hot. So that's what I kept in mind when picking out my clothes, but this is not my advice to you what to take. I will be doing a video like that after I'm back, but let's get started on this side. Sweatshirt, because in case it's gonna get colder, I need something. Then I have two dresses for like the beach and like the city, and I have a jumpsuit like that. Then I have two long sleeves. This one is just like a tighter one. I have this nicer one for like the college visit things. I don't know what you wear for that, so that's what I have here. Then I have a nicer short one just in case it's gonna be really hot that day when I visit the colleges. The next section is like the normal t-shirt section, which is like these two. These are just like good for throwing on the beach or something, just if I don't want to wear like cropped t-shirts. Then I have two tighter crop tops. One is like purple lilac, one is like yellow. Then I have three shirts. Two of them are like DIY'd. I will link the video down below and up here so you can check it out because it's kind of cool. That was it with my shirts. Let's get to my bottoms. I'll take these black shorts because they're not too short, you know what I mean? And then I have these Levi's vintage shorts. I like these two. Then I have my cap because I need that. I have one long jeans, and I have one like yoga pants or like sports pants, and then I have one like sweatpants for like sleeping if it's cold at night, I don't know. And then of course my rain jacket. And I have a sports bra here. I don't know if I'm gonna need it or take it, but I just put it in my collection since I have like a sports leggings for the hiking part. Yeah. Alright, so these are my all-time travel essentials, and I tried to switch them up to zero waste. Let's just get started in the left corner. So this is a Brita water bottle with a filter, and I know this is out of plastic, but I'm hoping this will last me for a long time. The next one is something I use for my passport and my, you know, my travel plane tickets. I do try not to print them out, but sometimes like certain airlines want you to print them out, so I keep this. And then I have my camera because I love taking pictures, and I have a lens to it too. I have the Canon 80D, it's what I'm using, and I love it. My next essential is my notebook where I keep all my blog posts, YouTube ideas, like everything related to my travels too. Like I always write down my spendings and everything I spent, so that's where this goes. And I have a pen too. This is my bullet journal. I don't take this to every single trip, but this time I will be working on part of my trip, so I will be taking this. If you're interested in my spreads or what I do in it, then just let me know and I can do a video about that. So this is my tripod. It doesn't hold my big camera, but it does hold my vlog camera, so if I need to take like waterfall pictures, I can do that. Then this is obviously my phone. I got my polar camera because I love polar pictures, but this is pretty wasteful because all the films come in that plastic packaging, and I'm not sure if I will be taking this to Mexico. And this is my drone. I always research if I can use it in the country because this is a big box, even though the drone is pretty small. Since I can use it in Mexico, I will be taking this. Then my purse, obviously. I got this to my birthday, and I've been using it ever since. Then this is my little medical section. I know this is pretty wasteful, but I think medication is something we all need. And yeah, I will be putting some other stuff in here too, but just so you can see, I always take medication with me, especially on like longer trips. Then I have my power bank for charging my phone if my phone dies and I don't have any access to a plug. And I have a little suitcase tag I will be putting that on my suitcase or on my backpack depending how much I will be taking. I'm not sure yet. These are my sunglasses. This is something I just got in the store and I'm loving it already. It's just this thin belt where you can put stuff in it. And I just think this is so useful for like going to cities where like pickpocketing is a big thing, because you can just put this under your clothes and it can hold your phone, money, and like a credit card or something. Then the last part is obviously my laptop, some chargers, and my iPad. I will be taking this to the backpacking part, and my computer is for the working part of the trip. So these are all my essentials for this part. One thing I forgot is this adapter, so that's gonna come in the essential bag as well. What's missing from this collection or essential overview is my reusable straw, which didn't get here yet, and the plastic-free sunscreen. All right, let's move on to my bathroom essentials and everything I'm taking in this section. So these are my cotton pads for removing my makeup. Then I have a conditioner bar, a shampoo bar, and a soap bar, which I use for my face, my body, and it's just a soap bar, which is pretty good for everything. These I will be taking because I always collect sand at beaches and I know I'll be going to a beach, so I will be taking these just in case. So I don't need to like get anything for that. Next is my brush. This is my menstrual cup and this has been my favorite essential ever. It saves so much waste and so much money. My last part is this part, and I know this is not really zero waste, but I just went low waste a few weeks ago, so I still have products I haven't used up and there's no point in throwing them away. So I'm just using them up and then replacing them. So I just started packing. My sister helped me, as you could see. We could fit the backpack inside the suitcase, and I still have my cameras around. So I'm trying to figure out how to do the whole luggage, like how to do the hand luggage thing, what to do, and yeah, since we will be flying inside of Mexico one time to get to the beach, because that'd be like a 30-hour bus ride, we chose to fly, and there we just have hand luggage, so I'm trying to make it all fit. And I forgot about my bathroom essentials, which I showed you earlier, so I'll have to maybe get some clothes out, even though I only have like 5 shirts or something for 3 weeks, so I'm hoping I can wash something. So this is really minimal packing. I've always kind of packed minimal. Okay, not always, but for the past couple times I took a trip. But this time it's even higher level, okay? If you want to watch my Mexico vlogs, or I don't know what I'm gonna film there, I probably will some. I will film at least the ocean cleanup, what we'll do. So that's the one thing I'm sure of filming. But anything else, if you have any suggestions, then just tell me in the comments and I'll try to film it. But yeah, that's what's happening today.